Are you tired of losing customers because you can't accept payments on Whop? Learn how to connect PayPal in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to add PayPal as a payment method in Whop. Let's start with logging into your account. First, log into your Whop account using your credentials. Then, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, go to Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, click on Payment Methods. Then, click on Add Payment Method to start the connection. Fill in your PayPal details as prompted. Finally, click Add to complete the setup. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.